Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about Panasonic TV red light flashing. I am tell about how to fix. When the red light flashing on Panasonic TV flashes, it can mean whole lot of things depending on the number of times it flashes. But to fix such a TV, check the power cables for damage and try restarting then resetting the TV. Here I tell about what does the red light mean. Knowing why the red light on your Panasonic TV was flashing can be determined by counting the number of times the red flashes. Counting the flashing lights can only tell which component has issue but won't tell you how to issue occurred. Here I tell about fixes for issues like the pretty easy to do. With a little bit a trial and error you can get your TV fixed. For the first one is check your cables. The first thing when fixing a TV was states lights are red to check the power cable comes to your TV. If the TV does not receive enough power from your wall adapter, you won't turn on properly and hence cause the red light is start blinking. Clean the post and the cables of any dust that might have settled on them, but they don't use water because it needs to carry power and water might cause short circuit. After that, restart the TV. If all your cables look okay, you can restart the issue. Restarting the TV cycles power in it, which can help fix a power circuit that transforms wall power into something the TV can use. To restart your TV, turn the Panasonic TV off, unplug it from the wall, wait for the at least 1 or 2 minutes before plugging the TV back in, turn the TV on. Still issue is not solved, then leave the TV unplugged overnight. Another fix that you can say that leave the TV unplugged for the longer period. If the initial restart didn't drain power from the all circuits of the TV, then the issue can persist to show up again later. So turn off the plug it from the wall. Keep it unplugged the overnight and come back the next day to turn it on. Still issue not solved, reset the TV. To reset your Panasonic TV through the step menu. For this, press the menu button on your remote, navigate to setup and press OK. Select system, factory defaults and hit OK again. Confirm to prompt that appears. After that, to reset your Panasonic TV with your remote, I will explain here. For this, turn the power on the TV, hold the volume down button on the TV and menu button on the remote for the least 10 seconds. Disconnect AC power from the TV, power the TV back on.